everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Simplicity pattern haul. I purchased all the patterns in this haul during a Simplicity pattern sale at Joann's in May 2021. When I filmed this video, I had some camera problems. Because of this, I had to switch between two different cameras to record the patterns. Because of this, there may be different video qualities throughout the video that may be more obvious than others. The first pattern in this haul is S9174. It makes a knit dress. I already owned this pattern, but I wanted to give that pattern to a friend of mine. After a lot of thought, I realized I would really like my own copy of the pattern. Since it was on sale, I picked it up. The next patterns in this haul are 8328, S8868, and S8869. All three patterns are repurchases of patterns I already own. These patterns make a top and bottom set, or in the case of S8869, tops only. That would be great for prom dresses. The next pattern in this haul is S9289. It is a Patterns by Gertie pattern, and it makes strapless dresses, detachable train, and a belt. The last patterns in this haul are costume patterns that make costumes from the Disney movie Cruella. I purchased all the patterns in the Cruella sewing pattern collection. When I purchased these patterns, they were exclusives to Joann's, but they were also a part of the Simplicity sale. Because of this, I was able to purchase them for the sale price instead of Joann's standard 30% off full price. I purchased these patterns before I saw the movie, so I don't know which patterns make costumes from certain scenes. Well, that's all for now. If you like my videos and want to see more like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Goodbye.